Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine. This is your subject teacher of English, and today we're going to solve the worksheet of chapter 6 in our notebooks. So, student, in our last video, we have to learn the story of a visit to Granny in English reader book, and today we're going to solve the exercise of chapter 6 in our notebook copy. So let's do the exercises. First of all, we have to write exercise A in our copy, in our SW or CW copy. Okay, student? So in first, you have seen there is a complete these sentences. There is a complete these sentences. So in this exercise, we have to complete the sentences by using the correct words. Okay. So in first, there is a Granny loves. So Granny loves fruits. So we have to write fruits. And what is spelling of fruits? Fruits, fruits. In next sentence is Zoya goes to the fruit shop with mummy. What the spelling of mummy? MUMMY, mummy. Next, come to the next. In next, there is number 3. The shop has many. We have to write other fruits. Other fruits. And what is spelling of other fruits? OTHER, other, FRUITS, fruits. Other fruits. Like this, we have to write the correct words and complete the given sentences. Okay. After that, number 4. The shopkeeper put the fruits in a dash. So we have to write basket. We have to write basket. And what the spelling of basket? BASKET. BASKET. Like this, we have to complete the exercises in one by one in our copies. Okay. So after completing the exercises exercise A, we have to come the next exercise, which is exercise B. So in exercise B, there is a write one word answer. Write one word answer. So we have to write the question answer one by one. So in number 1, there is a question: who wants to buy fruits for Granny? Who wants to buy fruits for Granny? So now tell me, who wants to buy fruits for Granny? So the right answer is mummy, and we have to write the answer only in one word. Okay. So mummy wants to buy fruits for Granny, so we have to write answer mummy. So what is spelling of mummy? MUMMY, mummy. Now come to the next. In second, what color are the chikus? What color are the chikus? So now tell me, what color are the chikus? So chikus color is brown. BROWN. BROWN, brown. Next, in number 3, what color are the melons? What color are the melons? So you know what the color is melon? Yes, it is green. So we have to write green. And what is spelling of green? GREEN, green. GREEN, green. After that, next question is question number 4. What does mummy give to the shopkeeper? What does mummy give to the shopkeeper? So we all know that when we buy anything, so we have to pay for it. And what we give to the shopkeeper? We have to give the money. And when the mummy buy fruits from the shopkeeper, so she pay the money. And what we have to write? Money. And what is spelling of money? MONEY, money. MONEY, money. Okay. After this, come to the next. Next is play with words. In exercise C, there is rearrange the letter to name these fruits. So there is a letters in a jumble word, and we have to write this given fruits name by arranging the letters. Okay. So in first, there is a RAGEPS. So it is the spelling of grapes. So we have to write GRAPES, and we have to write this all the words in a capital letter. Okay. Next is NAANAB. So it is the spelling of banana. So we have to write B-A-N-A, banana. Next, in third, there is a L-P-P-A-E. So it is the spelling of apple. So we have to write the spelling of apple. And what the spelling of apple? The spelling of apple is A-P-P-L-E, apple. Come to the next. Next, in number 4, there is G-A-O-R-N-E. So it is the spelling of orange. And what the spelling of orange? O-R-A-N-G-E. We have to arrange this given letters and make a fruit's name. Okay, after that, come to the next. L-O-M-E-N. L-O-M-E-N. So we have to make two fruits name. First is lemon, L-E-M-O-N, and second is melon, M-E-L-O-N. Melon and lemon. We have to write the both. But the given picture in book is melon. So we have to write melon, M-E-L-O-N. Like this we have to write the name of given fruits. Okay. Next, in next there is a G-O-M-A-N. So it is the king of fruits. We know their name. It is a mango, M-A-N-G-O, mango. Like this we have to write this given fruits name one by one. We have to write in our homework copy. Now come to the next. Next is number D. Fill in the blanks, use words from the melons. So in your book there is a melon and there is some words and you have to choose the correct word, and after that you have to write in a given blanks. So first there is as dash red as a, so cherry. We have to write cherry, C-H-E-R-R-Y, cherry, and we have to also fill the red color in the given boxes. Okay, given box we have to fill the red color. Now come to the next. Next is as green as grass, as green as grass. So we have to write G-R-A-S-S, grass, on the blanks, and we have to fill color green in the given box. Next, as dash white as snow. So we have to write S-N-O-W, snow, on the blanks. After that, next, in next there is a as dash blue as the sky. Okay, we have to write sky, S-K-Y, sky, and we have to fill blue color in the box. Next, as black as coal, C-O-A-L, coal, and we have to fill black color in the box. Come to the next. Next is a spelling. Fill in the double letters to complete the words. We have to fill the double letters which is given in the box. We have to choose and write the correct double words, and after that we have to make a words. Okay. First there is a dash dash L-E. So we have to use double P. It will be apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple. And next there is a G-R-A dash dash. So we have to use double S. So it will be grass. Next, S-U dash dash M-E-R. So we have to use double M. So it will be summer. What is the spelling of summer? S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. Next is S-P-A-O-W. We have to use double R. So it will be sparrow, S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. Next, in number 5, there is a K-I-E-N. So we have to use double T. When we use double T on the blanks, it will be kitten. So what is the spelling of kitten? K-I-T-T-E-N, kitten. Okay. In number 6, there is a B-A-O-O-N. So we have to use double L, B-A-L-L-O-O-N, balloon. Okay. Like this we have to complete the given blanks. The spelling of balloon is B-A-L-L-O-N. Okay. Like this we have to write this given blanks. Okay. Now come to the next. Use and with the words beginning with A, E, I, O and U. Use A with the other words. So here we have seen in first there is an igloo, an ant, a rainbow, a pan, a mango, a woman, an umbrella, an elephant, an octopus. We have to write like this the using of a or an. We have to make a words. Okay, come to the next. In next there is a fill in the blanks with a or an. In next fill in the blanks with a or an. So in first there is a the king rides. We have to use and with the vowels letter and a with the consonant. We know the uses of a or an, and after that we have to write on the blanks the a or an. Okay, so the king rides dash elephant. So e is a vowel letter, so we have to use an. Next, grandpa sits in dash a chair. Dash chair. So we have to use a. Next, granny has a duck and an owl. Okay, we have to use a or an. Okay, next, the duck laid an egg. We have to use an. Okay, student. Like this, we have to complete our notebooks one by one in our homework copy and classwork copy. Like this, we have to complete all the exercises in our copies, and after that we have to recheck this all the exercises one by one, and we have to check the spelling of the all the question answer and exercises. Okay student, I hope it will be clear to you how to complete your SW and CW. Okay student, I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.